everyone, it's Sally, aka Crafting Gal Sal, and I'm so excited. Look what came in the mail today. I got a box from Stampin' Up. So this is my very first order from Stampin' Up, and I'm really excited to open it up and show you guys what I got. So hold on and I'll be right. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you was my order contents paper, and I ordered my products from my friend Mimi. It says Marie here, but she goes by Mimi Takehara. And I got a 1/2-inch circle punch, which is really, when I saw that, I thought, I need to go ahead and place an order. So that's really what started me on my whole journey. It says I bought doilies, and I got some pretty laser cut paper. I can't wait to see. The Bird Ballad Designer Series paper and Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper. So I got 5 items, and now what is here? Some pretty, look at this. This is the doilies, Pearlized doilies. I thought, oh my goodness, these things look beautiful online, and here they are. Oh, they're so pretty. They feel real shiny. They're shiny and smooth on this side, so I think this is the side that you would put up, and this seems to be maybe the side that you would put your glue or adhesive on that side. Beautiful. I can't wait to use those. Wow, and there's a whole bunch of them in the package. What is this? Oh, here's my little tiny 1/2-inch circle punch. Oh, look at that. I thought this would be perfect to punch, of course, small circles, but the reason why I wanted it is because I thought it would be a perfect size. Let me get my other little punch here. I just recently bought this one. I think this is Fisker's, and I thought I needed this size to make a smaller, maybe different color circle to go in here, or even I have a scalloped edge one. Here's a scalloped edge one. I thought that might be a nice little circle to go in there, so that's why I wanted that 1/2-inch punch. So that's exciting. Let's see. Let's try this out. Oh, there we go. All right. And punch. Cute. And there's my little punch. And it punched beautifully. So I can't wait to use that. Ooh. This looks like the Magnolia paper. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Let's see. I can't wait to be working with this. Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper. Let's get this out. All right. Here we go. Beautiful. So it looks like two of these. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Must be 2 of every piece. Beautiful. Look at this one. It's got a little more green in the background. I love magnolias. We would love to have a magnolia tree in our house. At our house, I'm sorry. Not in the house, probably wouldn't be appropriate. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm really happy with this. The paper is just a beautiful weight to it. Nice and sturdy paper. Like I said, I've never ordered anything from straight from Stampin' Up before, so this is very exciting, and this is just the back. So there's my Magnolia series paper. Now, this one is beautifully detailed laser cut specialty paper. So let's see what this looks like. And it's sandwiched between pieces of cardboard. So, oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's like lace. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh, I don't even know what to do with this. I'm gonna have to get on Pinterest. Oh my goodness, are they all the same? And if they are, that's fine. Yes, it looks like they're no, they're not. They're not all the same. This is, okay, I'm looking at it upside down. See, you learn something new every day. Let's flip it over. Look, it's a this is going to look beautiful with that magnolia paper. So it's a peach colored, and they are different designs. Wow, it is so delicate. No wonder they put the cardboard on both sides, you know, on either side of it. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to pick this one up. And then, okay, there's that other design. And I like how it's got the little panels, so that'll fit beautifully on the A2 cards that I like to make. So, this is exciting, Mimi. I can't wait. I can't wait to start making some beautiful things out of that. Last but not least, here's my birdies. I love that. This is the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. And let's see. I've got to open this with scissors, so I've got to put my scissors in there. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, so cute. I love all the birds. So there's 2 sheets of this one. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that remind you of spring? Just the birds coming back, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love flowers. I love flower paper. Oh, that's neat with the different feathers from the birds. Pretty. And this is gorgeous. Wow. This is nice because I can tell it's going to go nicely with the other papers that I got. And then this one with the blue background. That is gorgeous. All right, that does it for all my new products that I ordered from Stampin' Up. So I'm excited to get busy. And if you haven't ever ordered from Stampin' Up, I highly recommend that you go to Mimi's website, and I'm going to give you a link to go to that website so that you can look through all of her product and place an order too. But Mimi, I'm excited. Thank you so much, and I'm going to get started making some pretty cards out of all the beautiful things I just got. All right, until the next time, happy crafting. Bye.